Hello, music explorers. For Black History Month, we're learning about Nina Simone, a singer with a powerful voice and a strong message. Nina Simone wasn't just a singer, she was also a pianist and songwriter, and she used her music to fight for civil rights. Nina Simone grew up playing classical music. She was really talented, but she also loved jazz, blues, and gospel. She mixed all these styles together to create her own unique sound. Nina Simone believed that music could change the world. She wrote songs about the struggles of Black people in America. She sang about freedom, equality, and justice. Her music was her way of protesting against racism. Nina Simone was brave and honest. She wasn't afraid to speak her mind. Her music inspired many people to stand up for what they believe in. Want to hear Nina's powerful voice? Ask your parents to help you find her songs online. Listen to the words and think about what she's saying. She was a true inspiration. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more music stories. What's up, music fans? It's Black History Month, and we're going back in time to learn about the birth of hip hop. And we're talking about DJ Kool Herc, a real hip hop hero. Hip hop started in New York in the 1970s. DJ Kool Herc was a DJ, which means he played music at parties. But he didn't just play the whole song. He noticed that people loved to dance when the music had a certain beat called the break. So DJ Kool Herc started playing the break over and over again. This is how hip hop was born. He also started rapping over the music. He was the first person to do this. Hip hop isn't just about music, it's a whole culture. It includes DJing, rapping, breakdancing, and graffiti art. They all go together like a team. Hip-hop has become super popular all over the world. It's a way for people to express themselves and tell their stories. DJ Kool Herc started something amazing. Want to learn more about hip-hop? Ask your parents to help you find some old-school hip-hop music. You can even find videos of breakdancing and learn some cool moves. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more musical adventures. Hello, music lovers. This Black History Month, we're celebrating the one and only Aretha Franklin, the Queen of Soul. Aretha had the most incredible voice we've ever heard. It was powerful, soulful, and full of emotion. When she sang, you could feel it in your heart. Aretha grew up singing in church. Gospel music is a type of music that's about faith and joy. It really helped her develop her amazing voice. Aretha sang all kinds of songs, but she was most famous for her soul music. Soul music is like a mix of gospel, blues, and pop. Listen to this. Can you hear how powerful her voice is? She could hold a note for a long time and make it sound so beautiful. That's called melisma. Aretha Franklin was a superstar. She won so many awards and everyone loved her music. She was also a very important person in the civil rights movement. She used her voice to sing about equality and justice. Want to hear more about Aretha's amazing voice? Ask your parents to help you find her songs online. You can even find videos of her performing live. She was truly a queen. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more musical magic. Hey Melody Makers, it's Black History Month and we're celebrating some amazing Black musicians. Today we're talking about Quincy Jones, a real musical magician. Quincy Jones has done it all. He's a composer, which means he writes music. He's a producer, which means he helps other artists make their music sound awesome. He's a conductor, which means he leads a whole orchestra, and he even plays instruments himself. Quincy was born in Chicago, and he grew up loving music. He listened to jazz, which is a super cool style of music with lots of improvisation. He learned to play the trumpet, and he was really good. Quincy has worked with so many famous singers, like Michael Jackson. He produced some of Michael's biggest hits, like Thriller and Billie Jean. He also wrote the music for movies and TV shows. Listen to this. Can you hear how exciting and fun it is? He uses lots of different instruments and cool rhythms. Quincy Jones is a legend. He's won tons of awards, and he's inspired so many musicians. He's shown the world that music can bring people together and make the world a better place. He even uses his music to help people in need. Want to hear more about Quincy's amazing music? Ask your parents to help you find his songs online. You can even look up videos of him conducting an orchestra. And maybe one day, you'll be a musical magician like Quincy Jones. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more musical fun.